Majid, what does it say at the top? Skill 3.
Be careful of a positive.
Yeah. Now, what is this?
I think if we want to add more information, we can use it.
Okay. This is important to know that an appositive, okay? Do not confuse this with a positive thing. They are not the same, okay? All right?
How?
Do you understand?
Yeah.
An appositive is not the same as a positive thing. Okay? You see this? When you have a space, then the word is different. Understand? Not the same. The Majid. What is an appositive?
A positive is a noun that comes before or after another noun and has the same meaning.
Aha. Comes before or after another noun, and it has the same meaning. All right. So, Sultan, you want to read?
Yeah.
Example, Sally.
Sally, the best student in the class, got an A on the exam.
Okay. The best student in the class got an A on the exam. Okay. Now, where is the subject in this example? Can you find the subject?
Sally.
Yeah. Find the verb.
The verb got.
There you go. So you have a subject, you have a verb. So what is in the middle then?
In the middle, a positive.
And what is this? This a positive.
It's defined the Sally. Give some information about Sally.
Yeah. What you should know is this. How is this different? How is it different from an adjective clause? Do you know? What's the difference from an adjective clause?
We don't have a verb here.
Well, what about a reduced adjective clause? You see, now you don't know that if the word reduced adjective clause, you know this if you are in 04, because you will study reduced adjective clauses in 04. Yeah. Reduced means a decreased adjective clause, and a reduced adjective clause has no verb.
Yeah, I think it's the same.
It is not the same.
But in the clauses, we need to which or where or and if you reduce.
An adjective clause or reduced adjective, it just describes a noun. Like an adjective, ugly, black, tall, long, short. It's an adjective clause. But an appositive is always a noun. Maybe it's a noun with many parts. Do you understand? This appositive has 6 parts, you see. This appositive has 6 parts. Now, the best student in the class. What is in the middle here is a noun. Do you understand?
Yeah.
This is not just an adjective. This is a noun or a noun with many parts. Okay?
Okay.
Let's see if we can look at some examples here. Okay? Everybody, look at this example, and I want you to choose your answer, alpha, beta, Charlie, or delta.
Delta.
Choose your answer from the poll. Don't give us the answer, just choose it. Quickly. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody answer now. Halas, the end. Uh-oh, two people didn't answer. Okay. So we got 6. Everybody said delta, and delta is the right answer. Okay. So what's wrong with well, let's find the verb first of all. Where's the verb?
Is
It's,
attending.
it's
Attending.
It's one verb with two parts. Okay. One verb with two parts. Okay. Now, what's the problem with alpha?
it's not the subject.
Yeah. How about beta?
It's adverb.
Adverb.
It's an adverb. Charlie?
Preposition, phrasal preposition, I think.
Yeah,
we
well,
can't
this
put
is a
it-
preposition. So this noun cannot be the subject.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Charlie is also wrong. Delta is the answer.
Subject.
What is this in the middle between the commas?
Formation, a positive.
Positive. It's
This is in a positive, right? So what is missing in this example here?
Subject.
subject.
Yeah, the subject. So what is the formula in this example? Tell me the formula. What comes at the beginning here?
A subject. Then
So we put a
opposite.
subject. Subject is first, right?
Yeah.
And then what?
Opposite.
Positive.
A positive. And then what?
A verb.
Then we have a verb. Okay. All right. Let's do the next example. Ready? Choose now. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1, finished. Select your answer now. It's done. Okay. All right. So let's see. Where's the verb, gentlemen? Can you see a verb here?
Mrs.
Mrs. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to put 2 lines. Can you find a subject?
Sarah.
Yes.
Where is the subject?
Sarah.
Sarah.
Sarah. So we have a subject, we have a verb. So if this is your subject, this is your verb. Oh. What comes at the beginning?
A positive.
A positive.
A positive.
So let's start with everybody said alpha, but what about delta? What's the problem with delta?
We
Tell
have a verb. We have a verb.
There's a verb, but maybe it's a noun. That's possible. It's a noun. Her play. That was a good play. We say sometimes that, oh, that was a good play. Then it's a noun. But is this basketball play, the good play, the basketball play? Can you change this thing with Sarah? Is
No.
Sarah equal? Is Sarah equal to a play?
No.
No. What about Charlie?
It has a verb.
Verb.
Yeah, we have a subject, we have a verb, and then we have excellent basketball player. You cannot just put another sentence because there's no connector. What about beta?
It also has a verb.
Also has a verb. So the correct answer, you guys, all of you answered it right. It's alpha. So what's the formula here? Now, is this the same formula as the other question?
No.
No. No.
Here beginning with the positive.
A positive.
Aha. And a positive, and don't forget the comma.
Yeah.
Then,
Then subject.
and then,
Then the verb.
Verb.
and the verb. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the chart here. Okay. Let's see, Jaffer.
Yes.
Positives. Can you read
A
this? And a
positive.
positive.
Yes. An appositive is a noun that comes before or after another noun and is generally set off from the noun with commas.
What is the meaning of generally?
Mainly, usually.
Usually. How about set off? Anybody know that word?
Come
Set
from?
off. Do you know the word separated?
Yeah,
Separated.
yeah,
So
definitely.
you put in a positive, comma, that you separate the appositive from the noun. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you read this, please, Hamza? If a word.
Okay. If a word is a positive, it's not the subject.
Okay, what does that mean? That means this is never the subject. The appositive is not the same thing. Now you can switch it. You can switch them, the position, but then it is not the same thing in this example. Okay, let's look at Formula 1. Abdullah Matawa, you wanna tell us Formula 1 here?
Yes, subject.
Okay, in the example, what is the subject?
Tom.
Tom. And then
A positive is a really good machine.
mechanic.
Mechanic. Okay.
Mechanic fixes cars. Okay. And then
Verb is fixing the car.
it's fixing the car. Now let's look at Formula 2. Suhaib.
Formula 2. A really good mechanic. It's
Yeah.
a positive.
Yeah.
And the subject, it's Tom.
Yeah.
Then verb is fixing the car.
Important thing to remember, guys,
The comma.
the comma. If it's Formula 1, we have 2 commas. In this formula, we have just 1 comma. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Hassan Alawan. So we want to underline the subject once, the verbs twice, circle the appositive, and then you will say if it's correct or incorrect. Look at number 1 and tell me, which formula is it? Is it Formula 1 or is it Formula 2? Hassan? Hassan? Sorry? 2. Formula 1 or 2? Wow, your audio is not very good. Okay. Jaffer, what is it? Formula 1 or 2?
Formula 2.
It's Formula 2. Okay. Can you explain it?
Yes. The first part is the appositive
Okay.
and the subject is owner.
But do not forget the comma.
Okay.
And then
The
subject is owner.
owner and is understanding
Undertaking.
undertaking.
Hamza, can you explain number 2?
I hope. Okay.
Why is it incorrect? Here's the question.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
Okay. A friend, it's a positive, and graded is the verb. Okay.
So what's missing?
The subject.
Ah.
Yeah.
Which formula should I use?
Formula 1.
Okay. So what do I do?
We should add subject.
That's right. What subject could I put there? Anybody? Anybody want to suggest a subject?
He.
Muhammad, he or she.
My friend.
You need to put just the name of somebody, okay?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be a a specific, just we did the name of somebody. Last semester, Joe, comma, a friend graduated cum laude. Okay. Are you ready? Let's give this a shot, you guys. Here we go. I'm going to send you the poll. What should you answer first? Number one.
Charlie.
Correct.
Oh, sorry, correct.
Correct. And number two.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
All right, start now.
Oh. Okay.
Go ahead, quickly. I'll be right back, gentlemen.
Okay.
Okay.
Take your time.
One minute, you guys.
Oh.
Mr. Rich,
Yes, Allah.
did we should check the oppositive accepted with the subject?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Should we check if the opposite accepted with the subject?
Check if the appositive
Yeah,
is accepted. I don't
yeah,
understand.
it's agreement or work with the same meaning.
Which sentence are you referring to?
Number 10.
You know what? There's a mistake in one word, the spelling of one of those words. Guys, quickly choose your answers. 15 seconds.
Mr. Rich, can you explain to us the meaning of a positive? I came late.
I'll come back to that after we do the exercise, okay? Then I'll explain it. Okay. Guys, quickly choose your answers.
Hey.
3,
Hurry up.
2, 1, the end, gentlemen. All right. Let's see what we got here. So everybody said number 1 is correct. Excellent. 100%. Number 2, incorrect. All right. Number 3. Let's see. Number 3. Everyone said it's incorrect. Or everyone said no, correct is what you said. Okay.
Yeah,
let's
correct.
see.
Yeah.
Bingo.
Yay.
Number 4. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. Somebody said it is correct. But most of you said it is incorrect.
Yeah.
This is incorrect. Number 5. Oh, we have a bigger problem than number 5. 2 of you said it's incorrect. But it is correct, gentlemen. 2 of you lose marks in TOEFL. Number 6, same. What does it say?
Correct.
It is correct. Number 7. Well, it's the opposite. 2 people said it's correct, and 5 said it's incorrect. It is incorrect, gentlemen. Number 8. Number 8. What does everybody say for 8? Well, most of you think it's correct.
It's correct.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Number 9. 2 of you said it is correct, and the rest said it is incorrect. Let's take a look. Incorrect. And then number 10, everyone thinks it is correct. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So let's quickly look at the examples one by one. Number 3. Okay, Sultan.
I want to leave.
Okay. All right, you
Thank
can
you.
go. Abdul Majid, can you find the appositive here?
Dr. the class.
Well, you know what? Where's the subject? Let's find the subject. Let's do that. Where's the subject?
Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
There we go. Valentine's Day. And then where's the appositive?
February 14.
Why 14?
Yeah. Yeah. See, this is a noun thing. Valentine's Day is a noun thing. We can
Special
switch
day.
them, right? You can switch them. Okay, where's the verb?
Is
Hey,
That's right. Is. Okay. This sentence is correct. So we'll move on to the next one. Now, what's the problem here, guys? Find a subject. Can you find a subject? Well,
no, there
what
is
about the
nothing.
verb? What about the verb? Let's find the verb.
It's
Has decided.
Okay. So the verb, right, has decided. Okay. Where's the subject? Now, if this is the verb,
Missing.
somebody does it. It's missing.
Yes.
Which formula is this?
Number
one.
Formula One.
two.
It's
No,
Formula One, but we're missing the subject. Where is the appositive?
Okay, yeah, in the middle.
In the middle. Now, this is a noun, right? Chief
Yeah.
Executive Officer, it's a noun. So we need a word that has the same meaning. What should I do?
It.
Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Anybody know what that means? CEO? It's the leader of a company.
Okay.
The leader of a company.
He or she.
Yeah. So I'm just putting a name here. Can you read the name, Jaffer?
Yeah.
Yes, Musk.
Do you guys know Elon Musk?
No.
No.
You don't know Elon Musk. Do you know SpaceX?
No.
You don't know SpaceX?
No.
Oh my God. You need to go and Google some things. You don't know Musk. All right. How about Gates? Do you know Gates?
Yes, Microsoft.
All right, there you go. So you know Gates. Bill Gates.
Gates, yeah.
All right, so you know Bill Gates. All right, let's go to the next one. Number 5. Number 5. Can you find a subject in 5?
Tonight, super.
Yes. Supper. What is supper, you guys? Anybody know?
Dinner.
Same as dinner. Now, where's the verb? Find the verb.
Did not test.
Did not taste. Okay. So where's which formula, by the way, which formula is it?
First formula.
Yeah. So where do I put this box?
in the
In the
middle.
middle.
In the middle. Now, leftovers, this is the food after you eat a meal and you don't finish everything. It's called leftovers. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, in Saudi, if you don't eat everything on one day, do you just throw it out, throw it away? Or do you keep it and put it in the refrigerator and eat it later?
The second one.
Yes.
You keep it? Yeah. So that's called leftovers, right? You don't throw away the food if it's not eaten, okay?
Yeah.
How about number 6?
The only,
Do we have a
second
subject? Can you find a
Yes.
subject?
The door.
Yes, the door.
Subject, the door. How about the verb?
Was keep.
Was kept.
Ah,
No.
was kept. Okay. And which formula is this one?
Second partner.
So where do I put the box?
In the first.
The beginning.
Now look at this. The only entrance. Is this an adjective, an adverb, or is it a noun? The only entrance to the closet. The only entrance.
Adjective.
The only entrance?
It's a noun.
It's a noun.
Yeah.
This is a noun. Okay.
Okay.
And it is the door. The door is the entrance.
Mhm.
Okay. They are
Okay.
the same. It's the same thing. The door is the entrance. Okay. All right, here we go. Number 7. So let's find, where do I put this?
And the first sentence, I think.
You think it's at the beginning?
Yeah.
No, no, no.
No, in the middle.
No, in the middle.
The middle?
Yes.
No, in the beginning. Okay. In the middle.
Should be in the
Where's the verb? Where's the verb?
What? No. Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah,
okay.
would not
What is
turn.
that? Yeah.
On.
Here's your verb.
Yeah.
Huh? So
Yeah.
which formula are we using? Which formula are we using?
Formula 1.
Formula 1. So why is the sentence incorrect?
There is no subject.
No subject.
It's missing a subject. So what should I do? I need something. I need a word. It has the same meaning as this, a wall heating unit. Now, you guys in Saudi, your weather is too warm to know. But in a cold country, we use something, it's called a radiator.
That's it.
Now you have radiators in the car engine. In the car engine. Do any of you know anything about cars?
Yeah. Little bit.
When the car engine gets really hot,
Yeah, that machine
You-
used in winter.
the radiator, but just a minute, the radiator, it has water inside. And the water will help keep the engine temperature
Low
cooler.
or
It
cooler.
will keep it down. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But what happens if you touch it, the radiator?
You'll burn.
Exactly. Because it is very, very, very hot.
Yeah.
And how do people stay warm in a cold house? With a radiator. They will put a radiator and hot water. There's hot water inside the radiator. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'll just show you a quick picture from Google Images, okay? This is called a radiator. Okay.
Yes.
My house, when I was a young child, we had radiators in our house like that. Okay. So there you go. In the cold of winter. Now, is this a subject
No,
here in the
it's
cold?
no, it's a preposition,
Bingo.
phrase, preposition. I think, yeah,
Yeah, this is a preposition. So this is an object.
object. Yeah,
Same for winter,
Yes.
right? Winter
Yeah.
is
the
an
object
object.
of yeah.
Yeah. So what's missing? The subject is missing. That's why we put the radiator. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at number 8, gentlemen. Can you find a subject?
Yellow flowers.
Where?
The new
Yellow flowers.
yellow.
Flowers? Is this the subject?
No,
No.
the new tile pattern.
Yeah.
Ah, which formula are we using, gentlemen?
First one.
The first
Formula.
one. So we have the pattern is the subject. Where's the verb?
Brightness up.
Here
Yeah.
you are. Brighten means you make something bright. Okay. So where do I put this box?
The middle.
In the middle section. Yellow flowers on a background. This is a noun with many parts. You can change the noun with this tile pattern. They mean the same thing.
So,
Okay.
Mr. H,
Yes, John.
a positive describe the subject.
It doesn't describe. You can, it is equal. That means you can switch them.
Okay.
You can switch them. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. An adjective or reduced adjective clause is an adjective and it describes a noun.
Yeah.
And a positive, it is a noun. But sometimes one noun with many parts. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a noun with many parts. Okay. Yellow flowers on a white background. Together, we have how many parts?
6.
Yellow flowers on a white background. This is 6 parts.
7, yeah.
It's a noun with 6 parts. You can switch this with the subject. You understand? Okay. How about number 9? Can you find a verb? Let's find the verb.
Was.
Yeah, was
Really?
finally.
Was, is that all? Was
Finally radiant.
Ah, yeah, we need the participle, right? Verb 3. Okay. That means we have the auxiliary, then an adverb, and then verb 3, right? By the way, which formula is that, guys? Was ready?
Passive.
Passive. Okay. So where is the subject in this example?
The high-powered computer.
That's right. The high-powered computer. So where do I put this box?
In the middle, the most powerful machine of its type. But
So where's the problem in number 9?
Yeah.
it's the small thing that's a comma.
Very small problem. What is
Oh.
this small problem in number 9? Huh?
It's a comma.
Comma before
Bingo.
positive.
You must have a comma, gentlemen. You must have a comma. Because which formula is it? Which one is it?
One.
One.
First one.
It's the first formula. Okay. Number 10. Let's find which formula is number 10?
2, I think.
2. Formula 2.
Is it Formula 2? So where do I put the box?
In the middle.
No.
In the middle?
No, no.
In the beginning.
I think this is at the beginning.
Okay.
Okay. And then subject,
Subject in the middle.
Psychologist.
psychologist.
Yeah.
Okay. And then verb,
Was
Was invited.
invited, was often invited. Now there is a problem here in this book. There's a spelling problem at the beginning in at the beginning of this. Okay. ENT is wrong. Okay. ENT is incorrect because ENT, what ending is this? ENT. You guys know?
Adjective.
That's right. ENT is an adjective. So instead of ENT, I need to put ANT. Let's see. Well, the application is crashing, but we're finished. We're finished. This, just change it. If you have the book, instead of ENT, it should be ANT, okay? And ANT, confidant, is a noun. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So a longtime friend and confidant, noun, this is, so it is an appositive. The psychologist, we can switch the psychologist and the appositive because they are equal. All right, gentlemen,
Yes.
all right.
that's all.
Thank you, Mr. Rich.
Oh,
you.
Hi, gentlemen. You're
Bye.
welcome.
thank you, Mr. Rich.